In this video, I'm going to show you how to vote with the coins that you have already received in your DDK wallet. Place your passphrase in the account that you like to open, sign in, and as you can see here, I've already sent coins into this account, so that means you can vote. Go to your DDK delegates, click on delegates, select on the first name here, which is TD Alliance 1, click on vote, confirm your vote. As you can see, there's a fee here, and it's done. Go back to your dashboard and you'll see that the vote has been successful.